welcome to our Christmas craft box. You should all have one of these packs at home, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Lots of goodies in our pack this time. So we have our wooden Santa and our 2 feet here. We have our paint strip and paintbrush. Now in our paint strip we have yellow, white, 2 reds, black and some glitter gold paint here. We have our pencils. We have our Christmas puzzle book filled with loads of activities. We have our scratch art gingerbread man. So there's gingerbread men, there's gingerbread women, there's gingerbread houses, so find out which one you've got and your stick. We have our faces balloon. So you blow up your balloon and you can stick the stickers on. Ours is a reindeer, but there's a few different designs. We have our temporary tattoo. Ours is an elf, that's just like me. We have our silly sticker faces. Again, we've got a few different designs. So we've got the snowman, but I think there's a Santa, there's a reindeer, there's an elf again. We have our letter to Santa. Now there's 2 different designs, but I want you to write all of your wishes for Santa on here, and that comes with an envelope so you can send it to him over at the North Pole. We have our Christmas messy mat. We have some information sheets. We have our contents and safety information. We have our little bit for grown-ups. And we have our Christmas jokes. And lastly, we have our Christmas themed colouring in page. Okay, so pop your messy mat down on your table so we don't make any mess with our paint. Take your paint and your paintbrush and get your Santa. Now, you get to be as imaginative as you like with your Santa. You've got the basic outline there, but you get to put the features on and his coat any way you like. Don't forget when you're painting as well to paint the 2 little stand-up feet here, and they slot on just like this, and like this. And when it's ready, it will stand up just like that. Now, I won't paint my one now, but I did paint one earlier. So, this is the Santa I designed earlier. You may even have some paint left over, so you could use it to colour in your gingerbread man colouring in sheet, or use it towards another craft. So, we have our letters to Santa. Now, I hope you all open your kit before Christmas Day, so you can write all the things you'd like from Santa. Now remember, it doesn't have to just be toys, it can be other things too. It might be that you want to go out and play with a friend, or that you might want to see some relatives at Christmas. So it can be anything you want for Christmas. You write it down, address it to Santa at the North Pole, and give it to one of your grown-ups and they can pass it on for you. Next, I'm going to tell you how to put on your temporary tattoo. These come with a protective film, so you want to peel that off and then place picture down on the bit of skin that you want to put your tattoo on. Like this. Then take a damp cloth and press it really hard over the picture. You want to leave it for about 30 to maybe 60 seconds and then pull it off. And then when you pull off your design, it should now be on your arm. Now let's move on to sticker faces. So all of you have something different in your pack, but you should all have things like eyes and noses and accessories. So mine comes with a hat and a scarf and some gloves and a present and a bow tie. So you don't have to put everything on your figure, but you know, put whatever you want on. Be careful when you're peeling your stickers off because they might tear, like I did with my snowman arm. And we'll give him a big carrot nose. And there's our sticker snowman. So let's move on to our Christmas tree scratch art decorations. So I have the gingerbread man, but you might have a gingerbread house, you might have a gingerbread woman. So pop yours down on your messy mat And you want to take your scratching stick. So one end is pointy and the other end has this kind of flat shape. So use either end and you want to scratch away at the black on your scratch art decoration and it will reveal a rainbow pattern underneath. Now, you could do anything for your design. You could write your name, you could do some patterns, in fact you could scratch the whole thing off and just have a big rainbow. It's completely up to you. When you're scraping away, you'll get a few shavings, so you just want to brush those away. And there we go. And when you're done with your scratcher, you want to tie a knot in the top of your ribbon. And do another knot just to make sure it's really secure. And then it's ready to hang on the Christmas tree. So the last thing I want to show you in your pack is your sticker balloon. It's super easy and super fun, especially seeing as you've already done your sticker faces. It's really similar. So in your packaging, you should have your sticker face, your balloon, and your feet. So start off by blowing up that balloon. Tie your knot on the end and stick on your feet. And you do that by pulling the bottom of the balloon through the hole in your feet. So it looks like this. Then lie it flat down and take your stickers and make your face. Again, be careful when you're taking your stickers off your sheet because they can tear. And there we go. So I've done Rudolph and I know there's loads of designs in there. There's penguins, there's robins, there's Santas, there's snowmen. I think there's even a polar bear. Thank you so much for joining me today for our Christmas themed activity pack. If you had fun, I hope to see you on the next video.